Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Nearby Share and the necessary radios so devices can discover each other. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location, then open the file or link you want to send. Once done, tap the share icon, choose Nearby Share, and pick the device you want to share with. This step establishes the connection handshake and tells the system what method to prefer, like Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth fallback, so transfers go faster and more reliably. Once the sender sees potential recipients, you tap the target device and the recipient accepts the incoming request. Make sure you accept promptly. Delays can time out the discovery. Choose to receive as a file, contact, or link, and confirm any prompts about transfer method or quality. If privacy settings block detection, temporarily switch visibility to everyone to connect, then revert to contacts after transfer. Doing this ensures both devices agree on protocol and avoid unnecessary retries or degraded speeds. After acceptance, watch the progress bar and keep devices within range until you see the success message. Once complete, open the appropriate app or folder, downloads, photos, or messaging to verify the file. If the transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, restart Nearby Share, then retry the send. This clears temporary discovery issues. As a quick troubleshooting tip, set visibility to everyone for that retry to rule out contact permission problems. Then immediately switch visibility back for continued privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.